This is day 3 and today we are going to cover legs and shoulder. The only equipment you need today is a pair of bottles. Squat press. Hold a pair of bottle and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down as low as you can comfortably. Push your body up from the squat as you press the dumbbells directly above your shoulders. Your biceps should be close to your ears. Lunges with bottles. Lunge forward as far as you can. Bend your back knee so that it almost touches the floor and push your upper body back to the starting position. Repeat it for alternate legs. Do 15 to 20 reps for each leg. Wall sit. Sit with your back against a wall and your feet shoulder width apart. Adjust your feet so that your knees are directly above your ankles. Engage your core muscles and stay down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Hold this position for 20 to 60 seconds. Calf raise. We are going to do 3 variations of calf raise. Do 15 repetitions with toes in. (15 reps with toes out). And 15 with toes straight. Front raise. With a very slight bend in the elbow, raise the arm straight up in front of your body until they are shoulder level. And slowly lower the dumbbells back down to the starting position. Repeat it for 15 to 20 reps. Side raise. Lift the weights up laterally and slowly bring it down. Keep a slight bend in the elbow. Do 15 to 20 reps of this. With this, we are done with the split workout program. You can follow the same schedule for other days with different exercises and variations. You may consider subscribing to stay updated on our future uploads. Thanks for watching.
वो कौन को लात मार दे उस साइड